Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to push your project from your computer to GitHub using Visual Studio Code. Now open Visual Studio Code. I'll open the project I've already created. Click Open Folder. Select your project folder and click Select Folder. You can now see all your project files here. Let's run the project to make sure everything is working. And yeah, it's running perfectly. Next, I will create a repository on GitHub. Go to the Google, tap GitHub and click the official link. Once the GitHub website opens, you can sign up. It's free. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Now to create a new repository, click the new button or click the plus icon in the top right corner and choose the new repository. Enter a name for your repository. You can add a description or leave it blank if you'd like. A repository can be public or private depending on your needs. I'll keep mine public. You will now see three configuration options: add readme file, add git ignore, add a license. Don't initialize these options if you already have a local project, otherwise you might face conflict later. Finally, click the Create Repository button. You will now see a list of commands. We'll run these one by one in Visual Studio Code to push our code to GitHub. Before running any Git commands, make sure Git is installed on your computer. You can download it from gitscm.com. It's free and easy to set up. I've already made a separate tutorial on installing Git on your local computer. You can find that link in the description below. Now open Visual Studio Code and open the terminal. Now we'll run all these commands. If you want to create a readme file, you can run this command. This is optional. Readme file. This command initialize a new Git repository inside your project folder, allowing Git to start tracking changes. Next, run the command to add file to staging area. This tells Git which file to include in the first commit. You can add one or more files, but I'll add all files while using a dot after git add. That means add everything. Then run the command to make the first commit with the message. This is like taking a snapshot of your project at this moment. All files are added. Now run the command to rename the default branch to main. That's the current standard on GitHub. By default, it may still be master on your system. Next, run the command to connect your local project with GitHub. And finally, run the last command to push your code to GitHub. Now your project has been successfully pushed to GitHub. Go back to your GitHub page and reload, and you will see all your files uploaded here. And that's it. Your project is now live on GitHub. From here on, whenever you make changes, just commit and push, and your GitHub repo will stay updated. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more developer tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover collaboration or branch in next.